Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live, and we've been trying to keep up with what's going on at the pier, and so I got Coastal One up actually on Monday. I was talking to Missy, the superintendent out there, I guess you could call her, over the weekend, and asked her a few questions about how the pier was going, and she said, "Man, it's going great." And I noticed here about 2.5 weeks ago, they've started on the north side, and that's going to be a park also. That's going to be a park with a walkway and then a pier or an observation platform, my understanding. They're overlooking Rollover Bay. But that's a separate contract. The pier's being done by the GLO in Galveston County. The other side, the north side, from my understanding, is just Galveston County. And so it's a different contractor, a whole different ball game. But I'd heard that the north side was going to be done. Rumor has it, and you know how rumors are, towards right at the end of summer or this fall at some point. And it all depends on how the weather is. But the pass was closed in, and it was detrimental. Really hurt the tourism in that area, and overall had a little effect on it. Not only in tourism and people coming down here to spend time with family fishing the pass, but also the taxes. We saw a drop in taxes when the pass closed, and so with the new pier coming in, it's going to be a great amenity for Bolivar Peninsula. Yes, there's pros and cons, but I wanted to show you what it looked like. I got permission to fly up close after they were closed for the day, closed down for the day, and show you what it looks like. And these wooden planks that are going in there, if I'm not mistaken, I don't know how thick they are, but I was told by someone that they weighed about 350 pounds apiece. And the construction of this pier is going to outlast anything, or it should. You can see the handrails are starting to go up there, and they're making those in, putting the poles up and the handrails. And the lighting on this is actually going to be, from my understanding, down on the side. And so easy access. It's going to be accessible to anyone. You saw the poles going in for the ramp, and I think the ramp's supposed to be done in the next 2 or 3 weeks, hopefully. Next 30 days, I would say for sure, probably. But you can see what's going on along the pier. We waited until the contractors were all gone, and then wanted to give you a close-up view of what it looked like walking down the pier, or close-up view of what it would be like walking down the pier. And there's the dog leg in the pier right there, and then it keeps going on down, and you can see the construction of this is just fabulous. I want to thank everyone involved in making this happen, because I think once this pier opens up, it's really going to add a great amenity to Bolivar Peninsula for fishing. Yes, it makes a dog leg, and it's not as deep as you would think out at the end. But we all know what trout fishing's like, especially in the summertime. Sometimes you don't have to go past the first sandbar to get into the trout, or barely into the first sandbar. And so, I was excited whenever I got back and was able to watch the video, going through it, cutting some out. I actually got hit by a bird, and it made the drone go cockeyed for a little bit out there. Nothing was wrong. It just jumped real quick, so I cut that out. But just wanted to give you an update on the pier. We hadn't done a show in a while, and let you see exactly what's going on with the build of it. It's coming along on schedule. It's set to open towards the end of the year, and we're super excited about it. Don't have any information on the bait camp yet, but as soon as we get wind of it, we'll let you know exactly what's going on out there. And imagine a summertime night, green water in, and the lights down on the water, and trout hitting just about anything that hits the water. It's going to be great. Looking forward to seeing it open and seeing the businesses in the area thrive again. So I did have a chance to go over across and do an aerial of what they're doing across. It is a different contractor. It's done by Galveston County. And so that area right there is actually where the bait camp's going to be, I believe. And then you can see the entrance, the pier, the ramp for that. So anyway, but this is the north side now. And they've started construction over there. They've started driving pilings for things. And so we're going to keep you updated on all this. In fact, we'll probably be up in the next 45 days as soon as they get the ramp built on the pier. So anyway, just wanted to give you an overall view of what's happening at Rollover Pier, and keep you informed. That's the biggest thing, is keeping you informed on what's happening down there. And like I said, once they get the ramp done and some more done on the rails, start cleaning it up a little bit, we're going to do more on what's happening out here at the pier. And so we'll keep you updated. We'll try and come back in about 30 days and show you again what's happening on the Rollover Pass Pier. So we're going to head on out. Hope you enjoyed the show. Hope you enjoyed the view, and hope to see you on the Rollover Pass Pier when it opens at the end, towards the end of 2026. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye. Thank you to these 2026 video equipment sponsors: Crystal Beach Decor and More, located at 1959 Highway 87. Beachy Beatnik Boutique, located at 970 Surfside and Highway 87. And Latitude 29 Surf Shop, located at 1400 Highway 87. Thank you to these area businesses for being our 2026 video equipment sponsors for Bolivar Live.